Are you over 60 and struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep at night? You're not alone. Poor sleep is one of the biggest problems seniors face. It drains your energy, clouds your memory, and even raises your risk of heart problems. But here's the good news. Sometimes the solution isn't a pill, it's in your kitchen. In this video, I'll reveal the top 3 foods that help seniors sleep better after 60. So you can finally fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed. These certain foods naturally boost melatonin, serotonin, and calming minerals like magnesium. Adding them to your evening meals can gently reset your sleep cycle, no medication required. So, let's get right to it. Let's start with one of the most powerful foods for better sleep. Food number 1. Tart cherries. Tart cherries are one of the few natural foods that contain melatonin, your body's built-in sleep hormone. Melatonin regulates your circadian rhythm, signaling your body when to sleep and wake up. Research shows that drinking tart cherry juice can increase total sleep time and improve sleep efficiency, meaning you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Tart cherries also contain anti-inflammatory compounds called anthocyanins. Inflammation, especially in joints or muscles, can make it harder to get comfortable and maintain sleep. By reducing inflammation, tart cherries can indirectly improve sleep quality. Tart cherries are rich in antioxidants, which support overall health and may reduce oxidative stress, a factor linked to insomnia in older adults. How to use: drink a small glass of tart cherry juice after dinner, or eat a small bowl of fresh or frozen tart cherries. Avoid versions with added sugar to prevent blood sugar spikes that can interrupt sleep. Pro tip: pairing tart cherries with a light snack like a few almonds can help stabilize blood sugar and maximize sleep benefits. Food number 2. Almonds. Almonds are packed with magnesium, a mineral that helps relax muscles, calm the nervous system, and regulate neurotransmitters essential for sleep. Low magnesium is associated with restless sleep, insomnia, and nighttime leg cramps, which are common in seniors. Almonds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin and then melatonin, both key for regulating sleep. Combined with healthy fats and protein, almonds provide steady blood sugar overnight, preventing sudden drops that can wake you up. Almonds also contribute to heart and bone health, making them a perfect snack for seniors. The combination of nutrients promotes sleep and overall vitality. How to use: eat a small handful, 20 to 25 almonds in the evening as a snack. For variety, include almond butter or roasted almonds without added salt or sugar. If you have nut allergies, substitute pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, which are also high in magnesium. Pro tip: try combining almonds with tart cherry juice for a dual sleep-promoting effect. Melatonin from cherries, magnesium from almonds. Food number 3. Kiwi. Kiwi is a natural sleep booster packed with serotonin, the neurotransmitter that helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle and mood. Serotonin is converted into melatonin, signaling your body that it's time to sleep. Research shows seniors who eat 1 to 2 kiwis before bed fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Kiwi is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and carotenoids, which combat oxidative stress linked to poor sleep and age-related cognitive decline. Its high fiber content supports digestion, which can prevent nighttime discomfort and bloating that often disrupt sleep. Kiwi is low in calories and easy to digest, making it a perfect light evening snack without overloading your stomach. How to use: eat 1 to 2 kiwis about an hour before bedtime. Pair kiwi with a handful of almonds or a small serving of tart cherry juice for a triple sleep boost. Melatonin, magnesium, and serotonin all at once. Pro tip: keep kiwis in the fridge for quick access at night. Here's how to make these foods part of your nightly routine. Drink Tart cherry juice or eat a small bowl of cherries after dinner. Keep a handful of almonds nearby as an evening snack. Eat 1 to 2 kiwis about an hour before bedtime. Additional tips to improve sleep. Avoid caffeine in the late afternoon and evening. Dim lights and reduce screen time at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Gentle stretching, deep breathing, or a short meditation session can complement these foods for optimal relaxation. These small, consistent changes can reset your sleep rhythm and help you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend who struggles with sleep, and subscribe for more senior health tips every week. Comment below which food you'll try tonight. I'd love to hear what works for you.